How to share a story on Instagram. So if you want to share a story on Instagram, first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram application, tap on the story which you want to share. So after tapping on the story which you want to share, just simply tap on the arrow which is on the bottom right corner. After tapping on that arrow, choose the account for whom you want to share the story. So after choosing the account, tap on send. After tapping on send, you have successfully sent the story. So if you want to check that your story has been successfully sent, just tap on the message icon which is on the top right corner. After tapping on the message icon, tap on the account which you have sent the story. So you can see that the message has been sent successfully. That's it. That's how you share your Instagram story. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.